Hi everybody, today I want to show you a really good new feature that's been released into Claude AI. It's called Claude Dispatch. It's within the Claude Cowork tab, and basically I want to also show you a new workflow that will further simplify your or that can further simplify your site logs or your site logging. Basically, it works in a way that you need to have first you need to have your database. It could be in an online database or simply a local database, or so Excel tables that are local on your computer, or you can have an online database such as Google Sheets, Notion, Airtable, whatever you want. So this workflow works in a way that you install Claude on your PC, then you connect that Claude to your online database. So in this example we have Notion, but you can do it for whatever provider you want, or you can simply just connect it to your local folder, so to your local Excel table where you input all your site logging information. After you're done that, you also need to download Claude app for your phone, and then we can establish like a dispatch link between Claude PC and Claude mobile. And basically this works in a way that you like run around the site, you see what's been done, what is the status of that particular day on the site. You log everything using voice commands or voice notes on your Claude mobile app. Then your Claude mobile app automatically sends that information to your Claude PC desktop, and then your Claude PC desktop automatically connects to your local folders, to your local Excel worksheets, or to your online table database such as Notion, and then it basically listens what you have inputted via voice commands, and then it enters that activity or a new line in the existing site diary database. So basically I can give you a demo that's been like some sort of short explanation. So here we have a site diary database. So I have 10 projects here, so 10 example projects. So as you can see, Riverside Tower, Metro Expansion, different types of projects you can have however you want. So if I click on the Riverside Tower project, I have an example site diary table or database. You can see the entry ID, the workday, the status, the employee or like a lead that's on that has been assigned to that work. So you have a trade, hours logged, the weather, temperature, budget code, whatever. So our idea or aim here is to basically edit this table on and add new lines in this existing site diary database for this project. So basically I want to, for today's dates, that's like 17th of June, I want to add a new line that will describe the works that have been carried out that day. Here I also wanted to show you another example, so a much more developed site diary database that's been made into the Airtable. As you can see, this is maybe a potential of this workflow. So what can you do with it? How far can you take it? So in this example, we have a database made in Airtable. So as you can see, here's the site diary. As you can see, you can see the name of the tower, the status supervisor, and you have a bunch of different tabs. So you have entries for labor, quantity entries, cost codes, weather, employees, subcontractors on site, plant and equipment, deliveries, dockets, everything. And that's you can basically do this also in the Notion if you want, and this like highlights the real benefits of this workflow. So basically you can make an entire like relational database right in the like an online service provider. So you can relate the site diary to the one other database for weather. Then you can relate that to the works carried out. You can relate that to quantities. You can link that to codes and everything. And basically this could be like a real like construction knowledge database that you can use for other types of use cases. Firstly, I need to open a desktop app. You will need to download it, install it. When you have done it, for this, I forgot to say you need to have a Claude Pro version. You need to have a Claude Pro version. So yes, Claude Pro version, it's a paid version. And so we will go to the cowork. So first, before going to cowork, as I said, you need to connect your Notion database. So we will go on to customize. Here you have skills and connectors. We will click on connectors, and here you can see that I connected my my Notion account to Claude. Basically, if you didn't, you need to press the plus button, connector, add your connector. Could be Airtable or whatever. After you've done that, you go to cowork. In cowork, as I described in one of my previous videos. So in one of my previous videos, so videos for reporting, you can also work on a project or a folder. We can just choose a folder. That's I described it in the previous video. So for example, I can work on a folder called the Riverside Tower. I can allow it, so it basically knows everything about my project, my like project context, my project data, project folders, and whatever. It's a really good thing. But the new thing, or the dispatch thing, which I told you before, is here. You click on it. First, you need to pair your phone, so to sync your phone and to have your phone send the data to the desktop app, and then the desktop app communicates with the Notion table. So if I click pair your phone, I just click I'm signed in on my phone. It will ask you some things, so keep the computer awake, let Claude control your computer. You can set up in a preference what you want. But if I click finish setup, this is my other PC. So if I click disconnect, I will just do it one more time. So now it's connected. Now it's connected, and I will also, if I go to my phone, I also click on I also click on dispatch. When I click on dispatch, it should have the exact same note or message as well. So 1:14 p.m. Hey, I'm glad you're here. As you can see, the same thing is visible here on my phone. And basically we can just I can input some of the notes on my phone. Hey, can you access my Notion site my Notion site diary database. I send it on my phone. It automatically is connected to the PC, and basically you can type on your PC, you can type on your phone, it's the same thing. But this is very useful if you're on site, you walk on site, you have your phone with you, you can just walk around the site, give voice notes or voice logs, and it will automatically transcribe and send it to your desktop PC. All right, so maybe I can try the voice mode. Hey, do you see if you see the Notion site diary database, please enter the page for Riverside Tower and tell me what is contained in that page. What can you see? And it was now connect to my Notion. Yeah, as you can see, the Riverside Tower page is sided with 31 entries. Entry ID, workday status, employee name, trade, hours log, temperature, trades covered. Let's just double check that. So 31 entries. I think it got it pretty much right. And maybe I can demo you this example. That's also, I can show you this example that I talked to you before. So let me just try it with the voice mode. So date June 17th. Today we continued reinforcement works for the ground floor slab. The crew consisted of 5 workers led by Christian Vilibic. They started at 7 a.m. and worked until 3 p.m. Weather was sunny, around 25 degrees. Today's activities: the team completed reinforcement installation for the foundation slab in grid area B3 to B5. Concrete formwork was checked and approved. Excavator continued earthworks on the eastern side of the site. Please input that information as a new entry in the project's site diary. Yeah, it got my name wrong, but other than that, yeah, it can't understand Croatian. But we will see now what it will come up with. And when we wait, it is also possible, as I previously mentioned and showed you on the regular cowork tab, you can connect your local folders. So for example, I can have my whole project folder connected, and basically I can walk around the site, give voice notes, and then I can cross-check some of the voice notes or my observations with the project documentation. So with some project specification documents, if something is fishy on site, with layouts, floor plans, and everything. So basically this is what I'm showing you now. This is like the foundation for the complete like construction AI operating system that you can set up for your construction company and have everything ready and be able to deploy and be able to automatize most of the tedious processes such as site logging. So now Claude asked me Notion update page, so I need to allow it. Basically, the same thing is happening on my phone, as you can see. Uh, as you can see, I need to click allow or allow once. I will click allow once. So as I previously said, really the opportunity here is here are the endless. You can like manipulate, transform your files, or use them whatever you like, or just build complete end-to-end automation workflows that will connect to your existing apps and make the boring processes much faster. It also asked me about the update once again. I will click. Also, it is possible to connect this, to not use Claude, but to connect your WhatsApp via Zapier. So it's I think a bit more complicated, workflow. But if you want, you can also connect your WhatsApp via automation software called Zapier, and then you connect Zapier to Claude to give you a similar experience. But this is really handy when everything is in the Claude app. So as you can see here, the entry L032 has been added to the Riverside side area. Here's what's logged. So yeah, and it gave me one node. The table that doesn't have nodes activities column. Okay, so let's see what it did. Let's see. L032, basically Christian Village. Yes, so basically it inputted the new entry, as I told you. And it can also I can also attach images. It can also analyze images, as I said, them images, voice notes, and everything. And it can attach some of the different files. So I think this is the thing that can save a bunch of time to the people, to the site engineers, or everything, or everybody that's working on site. So I really hope you find this useful, and see you in the next video.